Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another lecture. In today's lecture we are going to discuss the topic which is the role of I.E.Rs for teacher trainings at secondary level. Now first we discuss what is I.E.Rs. I.E.Rs are known as Institute of Educational and Research and it is a part of Peshawar University. There are a lot of universities that offer I.E.Rs. Basically, this is linked with education department that are providing training for teachers. Either it is for elementary level, either it is for secondary level, or at higher education level, which is university level. Now we discuss what's their role in teachers training and its role in secondary level, and how it is helpful for secondary level teachers. In Pakistan, I.E.R's Institute of Teacher and Research play a significant role in providing teachers training and professional development, including training at the secondary level. These institutions are responsible for enhancing the skills and competencies of educators to improve the quality of education in the country. Here's an overview of the role of I.E.R's teacher training at the secondary level. Number one is pre-service teacher training. I.E.Rs offer pre-service teacher training programs such as Bachelors of Education and postgraduate diplomas in education to individuals aspiring to become secondary level teachers. These programs prepare teachers candidates with the necessary knowledge and skills required for effective teaching. Then curriculum development. I.E.Rs may be involved in the development of revision of teacher education curricula. They work to ensure that teacher training programs align with the national and provincial educational policies and standards, including those specific to the secondary level. Then subject specific training. I.E.Rs provide subject specific trainings to teacher candidates who will be teaching secondary level subjects. This teaching ensures that teachers have a strong command of the subject that will teach, such as mathematics, science, English, Urdu or other subjects. Pedagogical training. I.E.Rs focus on pedagogical training methods and strategies that are effective for teachers secondary level students. These include training in innovative teaching methods, classroom management techniques and the use of technology in education. Practical teaching experience. Teacher candidates at I.E.Rs often undergo practical teaching experiences as part of their training. This may include student teaching or internships in secondary school along teacher trainees to apply what they have learned in real classroom settings. Research and evaluation. I.E.Rs engage in educational research and evaluation activities to assess the effectiveness of teacher training programs and curricula. This research helps identify areas for improvement and guidance for the development of effective based teaching practices. Professional development. I.E.Rs offer professional development opportunities for both pre-service and in-service teachers. These programs aims to keep teachers updated on current educational trends, educational methodologies, and curriculum changes, enhancing their teacher skills. Then capacity buildings. I.E.Rs may engage in capacity building efforts to strengthen the overall education system in the region they serve. This can involve training school administrators, education managers and other stakeholders in addition to teachers. Then collaboration. I.E.Rs collaborate with provincial and regional educational authorities, universities, schools and other educational institutions to implement teacher training programs and initiatives. They work closely with local stakeholders to ensure that teacher training is tailored to the specific needs of the region. And research and development. I.E.Rs often conduct research to identify the best practices and education to develop innovative teaching and learning materials. This research helps improve the quality of education and teaching in secondary schools. The specific functions and priorities of I.E.Rs may vary by region or province in Pakistan, as education is a devolved subject and each provincial or regional education authority may have its own approach to teacher training and development. Nevertheless, The I.E.Rs play a crucial role in building a skilled and qualified teaching workforce and improving the quality of secondary level education in Pakistan.